Top 5 Most Strongest Animals in the Ocean. The 5 oceans contain some of the greatest mysteries on the planet, and scientists estimate that nearly 2/3 of marine life remain completely unknown to us. Marine life is incredibly diverse and sometimes feels as old as time, and some of the oldest animals in existence live in the sea. The oceans are home to some of the largest and most powerful animals on Earth. They come from many different groups, too. Some are mammals, some are reptiles, and some are fish. Some species have been seriously studied by scientists both in nature reserves and in their natural habitats, but other species remain elusive and even mysterious. The wonders of the sea have been immortalized in literature and Hollywood films, yet they are still rarely portrayed accurately. Films and novels often make these powerful creatures out to be enormous, bloodthirsty monsters when in reality, most of these species would probably rather that humans left them alone and respected their habitat. Here is a list of 5 of the strongest animals in our miraculous seas. 5. Killer whales. Orcas or killer whales are among the strongest animals in the ocean. Killer whales, also known as orcas, will prey on almost any animal they find either in the sea or even in the air over the water. Killer whales are the largest species of the dolphin family, and they can weigh up to 6 tons and grow to almost 32 feet long. Their size makes them the largest warm-blooded animal predator currently in existence. Killer whales have unique teeth which can grow up to 4 inches long. Killer whales can live in many sea environments including oceans, seas and coastal areas. They travel long distances, and they can live almost anywhere, from near the equator to the most chilly northern waters. These beautiful creatures also live in groups called pods. The pods have a social hierarchy, but despite this, the killer whales also form bonds between one another. Killer whales are considered to be at the top of their food chain because they have no predators except for humans. A killer whale's teeth are very large, they are a unique shape and their teeth often number between 40–56 in total. A killer whale does not chew its food. Instead, because of the unique makeup of the teeth, an orca uses its teeth to tear it into small pieces before swallowing. Despite their name, killer whales do not attack humans. Killer whales will eat seals, porpoises, sea lions and even small whales and sharks. In one instance, a killer whale was caught holding a shark upside down and forcing it to suffocate. Because they are top predators, killer whales may have long lifespans. Provided they survive the first 6 months of their life, a female may live 46 to 50 years and a male may live up to 38 years old. 4. Giant Pacific octopus. The giant octopus. The giant Pacific octopus is a carnivorous octopus that can grow from 10 to 16 feet long and weigh up to 100 pounds. It is the biggest octopus of the species, with the biggest giant Pacific octopus ever recorded measuring at 30 feet across and weighing over 600 pounds. A giant Pacific octopus usually feasts on shrimp, clams, and lobsters, but they are strong enough to hunt and eat sharks too. They use their mouths to puncture and tear flesh before swallowing their food. Octopuses are very intelligent creatures. In labs, they have been taught how to mimic another octopus and even how to solve mazes. In the wild, they are known for tormenting their neighbors in the sea. They can be found juggling crabs and throwing things at other sea creatures. Octopuses have even been taught how to open a jar, and thankfully, the scientists that taught them will probably struggle with a pickle jar again. 3. Giant squid. The giant squid. Giant squids are some of the most mysterious creatures of the sea, as well as being the biggest invertebrate on Earth. Measuring around 33 feet, the largest giant squid ever found truly was a giant weighing nearly 2,000 pounds and measuring 59 feet in length. Giant squids are elusive in their natural habitats and difficult to study. Most of what we know about them is from deceased squids that have washed up on beaches. It was not until 2004 that the first images of a live giant squid were taken. Giant squids have been found on beaches all over the world, but it is still hard to say how far they swim or what their exact habitats are. These humongous squids also have massive eyes because they live so deep in the ocean that they do not see any light. Little is known about the giant squid, but it is possible that when given the chance, they will kill and eat small whales, implying that those massive tentacles must be very strong. The sperm whale is one of the greatest predators of the giant squid, but with their giant eyes, giant squids have an early warning of the approach of their massive predators. 2. Lion's mane jellyfish. The lion's mane jellyfish. One of the only creatures longer than the imagined giant squid is the lion's mane jellyfish, whose tentacles can reach 120 feet long. This is longer than the average body of a blue whale. Their bodies are 95% water and they have no bones or blood. They don't even have brains. Yet, jellyfish are some of the longest surviving predators swimming in our seas. Jellyfish have been swimming our oceans for about 650 million years, which is before the dinosaurs even stepped onto the earth. The lion's mane jellyfish will eat fish and even other jellyfish, and they can do this because despite not having brains, they are very powerful swimmers. Their swimming is what allows them to get away from predators and also to hunt and kill their own food. Unlike other sea creatures, jellyfish do not have teeth. They use their tentacles to poison and paralyze their prey before swallowing it whole. 1. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living crocodile in the world, reaching 17 feet and up to 1,000 pounds, but it is not unheard of to find a 23-foot crocodile weighing 2,000 pounds. Saltwater crocodiles are found mostly in the South Pacific in India, Asia and northern Australia. While they are happy to live in the sea, they are also spotted in fresh water. They are excellently camouflaged and will wait low in the water for prey to appear. They can reach speeds of 18 kilometers per hour over short distances in the water, but they are slow-moving on land. Saltwater crocodiles will also swim across vast expanses of ocean to reach new territory. Saltwater crocodiles live very long lives, some live to be 100 years old. A saltwater crocodile will eat anything that comes too close, including humans. While humans aren't usually on the menu, a human who gets too close to a crocodile risks becoming a main dish for a hungry croc. It may be easy to mistake a crocodile for a partially submerged log thanks to its natural camouflage and patient nature, but many attacks can be avoided if humans respect their natural habitats. A saltwater